is 508. The kitchen. The dining. Oh, someone is in the rocking chair. Hello, Mamu.
Hi!
Thank you for
Welcome!
this.
Welcome!
Mamo, thank you so much.
Welcome! Lagay niyo gamit niyo dito kung ano.
Let me check your room, Mamu.
That is good for
Wow.
two. Only.
Is this the master's bedroom? Wait. Oh no! It has a bathtub and a closet, and then the rooms on the other side.
Sino gusto sumama kay ano dito?
The rooms. Okay. Oh, this is a cutie room. And then another cutie room over here. Ooh.
Manggagaling yan sa Hollywood.
And this is the view from the outside. Oh my goodness.
You love it,
Tomorrow
baby?
morning I'll show
You
them
love it.
the morning
You love
view.
it, dear?
Yes, Mamu.
Appreciate it.
And I like the elevator.
We
Kasi
appreciate it.
patagilid. Yes, Mamu. Thank you, Mamu.
Oo. Help the branch.
Yes, Mamu. I will.
Tama ba yung nasa harapan natin si Taal? Ayan.
Yes.
There. Tomorrow morning.
Yes.
We will see.
Mama, thank you.
Yes.
Iba ibang experience. You can boast na.
Ay, ang galing naman.
Ah, tayo lang.
And then, and then, let's check the other rooms. Is this another room? Oh, it's closed. Then, maybe this is a CR. Yeah. Oh, and another bathtub there. Hi. Gulo ng hair ko. So, that's all. See you tomorrow
Parang hindi na
morning.
kailangan mag-aircon.
Correct.
35,000 per square. Eh, samantalang yung sa akin, binibenta ko lang ng 15 yung buong lupa.
Oh.
Grabe. 15? Million.
Thank you, Mamo. Thank you, Jesus.